Watch a bird flying just above the water. It glides effortlessly, barely slapping its wings, almost skimming the surface. Is this just coincidence, or is the bird taking advantage of something invisible, something rooted in physics? This is the idea of ground effect, and scientists are still debating just how much birds rely on it. When a bird flies, its wings push air downward to create lift, but some of that energy is lost in swirling air, called wingtip vortices. These vortices create induced drag, making flight less efficient. Now, bring the bird closer to the ground. The surface interferes with those vortices. The result? Less drag, more lift, and more efficient flight. This is called ground effect. Many birds, especially seabirds, are often seen flying just above the surface, sometimes only centimeters above the water. This has led to a compelling idea that birds intentionally fly low to take advantage of ground effect, saving energy over long distances. In theory, ground effect can significantly reduce the energy required for flight. Some aerodynamic models suggest lift can increase, drag can decrease, and overall efficiency improves. For a bird traveling long distances, even a small energy saving can make a big difference. But here's where things get interesting. Not all scientists agree on how important ground effect really is. Some studies show birds flying at heights where ground effect could help. Others find that birds often fly higher than expected, where the effect would be minimal. There's another complication. The air near the surface isn't still. Wind speed often changes with height. This creates something called a wind gradient. Birds may actually be using this gradient, not ground effect, to gain energy. In some cases, birds extract energy from changing wind speeds through a technique called dynamic soaring. So when we see low flight, what's really helping them? Ground effect, wind, or both? Tracking studies have tried to answer this. Some show birds adjusting their height in ways consistent with energy savings, but isolating ground effect from other factors is difficult. Real-world environments are messy. Waves move, wind shifts, birds adapt constantly. This makes it hard to prove a single cause. The current scientific view is nuanced. Yes, ground effect is real, and yes, birds can benefit from it, but whether they consistently rely on it is still an open question. It depends on the species, environment, and conditions.